With over $400,000 worth of renovation and nestled in the sought-after Country Club Hills, homes like this are a true rarity and it's not going to last long. There's so many things to love about this home, but the one thing that stands out to me in particular is the perfect blend of Nancy Meyers and Ralph Lauren vibes, which I know we all have grown to love. So this home is nestled in one of the most sought after neighborhoods in Raleigh, in Country Club Hills. And the best thing about it is not only do you sit on half an acre and it's a private lot, which is unheard of, but also the current owners did $400,000 worth of renovations, which is insane. But they did them so intentionally that you still have all the original character, from your beautiful hearth to the trim work to the molding. But you also have the amenities of a beautiful chef's kitchen. You have designer wallpaper, all new hardwood floors. So they really did the perfect job of blending the old with the new. So we talked about the over $400,000 worth of renovations. So you can see so much of that went into this kitchen. The thing that stands out to me when I first walk in, I mean, number one, you have so much natural light, but I mean, this island is massive. You have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have 8 chairs for seating. And not only that, you have all Miele appliances. And the other thing that stands out to me is the designer light fixtures. So we have a first floor primary, and the thing I love most, I mean, you can see how spacious this is, but you have 2 primary closets, so no need to fight over space with your partner. You also have double vanities and a separate vanity space in your fully renovated bathroom as well. So when you come upstairs, you'll notice that hardwoods still extend throughout into all the bedrooms. And speaking of the bedrooms, you have 3 super spacious bedrooms. They each have their own private bathroom. And then you also have this great area for a flex space. So you can see they have it set up as a partial game room, lounge area. So it really gives you a lot of flexibility depending on how you live. And you'll also find your laundry upstairs as well. Now that we've concluded the tour, you guys can see what I mean when I say this home is a true rarity. Over $400,000 worth of renovations nestled in Country Club Hills. If you're interested in more information or a private showing, reach out to me, Claire at thecoleygroup.com.